Can be a deadly weapon. Anything can be a deadly weapon. But Lauren Lake, that's not the issue. Lauren Lake, the issue is that he did an interview saying he didn't know what Stand Your Ground was, and he'd taken the course. That's the problem.
Gene, that is the problem, and that's even heightened by the fact that, remember when this case first came to light,
but Stand Your Ground is not applicable here.
Up in arms about,
You're missing the
you've got to let somebody else finish a point. Frank, you've got to let someone. Gene, let me know when Frank is done talking.
But you're missing a point. Okay, but you're missing a point.
Let me know when you're done.
Stand Your Ground is not applicable. He had no duty to retreat. Where was he going to go? The statute is clear in Stand Your Ground.
Frank,
before you had a duty. Listen to me. Listen.
No. I can't listen anymore. I can't listen anymore. You know why I can't listen?
You're missing.
Because you are stating the exact point I'm trying to make. If you be quiet.
Tell me what Stand Your Ground means to you.
I'm not arguing like this. Let me know when he's done. Let me know when he's done.
I'm done.
Let me know. Let me know.
I'm done with you.
You all let me know. You let me know when I can make a point. I'm not going to argue with this.
Right now.
And at the end of the day, Frank, I'm not going to be disrespected. I have given you a chance to talk.
No one's disrespecting
if you would have enough sense to just be quiet, you would understand that I am making the exact same point you're making. I am making the point. Did you just say you be quiet? Did you just really say you be quiet? I have let you talk all evening. If you would just listen, you would see I'm making the point that you were making, that I don't believe the Stand Your Ground law has anything to do with this case, because in George Zimmerman's account, he doesn't even say he ever tried to retreat. He doesn't even say that. My point is that he says, plain as day, to Sean Hannity, I don't know anything about it. And at the end of the day, it was taught in the course. That is a lie. That is a lie upon the other lies that he's told. And your disrespect of the other guests, Frank, in addition to your attitude that you bring to this story, only brings more hostility to your friend George Zimmerman.
Let's go.
Please.
Eleanor Odom,
you are
felony
just
prosecutor,
so incredibly
death
rude.
penalty qualified. Eleanor Odom, I want to ask you a really important question, because Lauren Lake makes a good point. Stand Your Ground